the brain behind ServiceNow AI, Control Tower and Agent Fabric deep dive. If you are in the ServiceNow world, you are hearing about AI agents constantly. The pressure is on to automate everything. But just building agents without a plan is a recipe for chaos. It leads to out-of-control spending and major security gaps. ServiceNow's solution for this is the AI Control Tower and the Agent Fabric. In simple terms, the Control Tower is the dashboard that allows you to monitor all your AIs, manage risk, and track costs. Agent Fabric is the foundation that lets those agents run and connect to your platform. To use them effectively, you need to understand 3 key points that the marketing doesn't tell you. First, the Control Tower is more for monitoring costs than enforcing them. Second, Agent Fabric's main challenge isn't building, it's debugging the agent's thought process while it runs. And third, the most important piece isn't AI, it's your CMDB. Let's break those 3 points down one by one. Number 1, AI Control Tower. It's an observatory, not a guard. AI Control Tower is your central dashboard for AI. It gives you detailed real-time analytics on all your agents. You can see token consumption broken down by department or user, compare the performance and cost of different models like Now LLM versus OpenAI, and review AI-related risk and compliance data all in one place. But here's the first key point. You must understand its limitations. Control Tower is an observation tool, not an enforcement tool. Most people assume it works like a barrier. They think, I'll set a $10,000 budget and it will automatically stop the agent from spending more. The reality is, its primary power is providing the detailed analytics for your teams to act on. It's more like an alarm, fantastic at telling you in great detail that you have overspent. But it doesn't offer those automatic stop signs to prevent it from happening. This means the power and the responsibility is in your hands. So here's what you can do. Since the tool provides the data, you can build the human response. Don't worry about finding a complex automatic trigger from the dashboard at first. Instead, just build a response plan in Flow Designer. Create a simple 10-minute workflow. This workflow's only job is to create a high-priority incident and assign it to your AI governance team. You can make this a run-on-demand flow. Now, when your team sees a cost spike in the control tower, they have a panic button to press. They run your flow, which instantly creates the ticket and starts a formal trackable process. You have built the human workflow, which is the most important part. And then comes number 2, the Agent Fabric. Let's be very clear. This is not where you build the agent, it's the underlying foundation and engine that lets agents, which you build through tools like AI Agent Studio, actually run and connect to the rest of ServiceNow. It's what allows an agent to execute a skill using Flow Designer or pull data using Integration Hub. Here's the second reality. Because this is the environment where the AI actually works, debugging a complex agent is a brand new challenge. With traditional code, when a workflow fails, a log tells you, error at step Y. Well, it's logical. When an AI agent fails while it's live on the fabric, it's often because its reasoning process went in a strange direction. The logs don't give you a clear error. This observability gap is a major time waste. You're not debugging code, you're debugging a thought process. What's the solution? You must use the built-in decision logs as your primary debugging tool. When you build and test your agent, don't just look at the final answer. In the testing interface, the platform provides AI agent decision logs. You can often see them on the right-hand side. Your actionable takeaway is to read this log every time you test. If you can't understand why the agent made a choice from its own log, then your decision is too complex. You must simplify your agent's logic until its decision log is clear and readable. And finally, number 3, your CMDB. The third and most important point is about the one component that isn't new, your CMDB. The real value isn't the agent itself, it's the enterprise data it can connect to. An agent that can look at your CMDB and understand each incident is the real game changer. Agent Fabric's true power is its native interaction with the CMDB. It gives your AI context. The solution is to start small and connect your AI plan to your CMDB plan. Before you build your very first agent, define its top 3 use cases. Just 3. Now, go into your CMDB and CSDM and validate every single piece of data related to those 3 use cases. Check if your business services are mapped, are the owners correct, are the dependencies accurate, and you're good to go. So let's quickly recap the 3 keys to success. Control tower, that gives you the data to govern cost. Your action is to build the response workflow in Flow Designer first. Second, agent fabric is the runtime, and its main challenge is debugging. You solve this by mastering the AI agent decision logs. Your CMDB is your true secret weapon. Your action is to clean it up one use case at a time to make your AI truly smart, not just autonomous. The strategic takeaway? Well, here's the final point. We have all been focused on the intelligence of AI, but these tools show that the real opportunity is to improve the effectiveness of our IT practices. The more powerful the AI, the more value we get from careful governance and high-quality data. ServiceNow has delivered the tools. The question you need to ask is, how can we use them to not only automate, but to mature our entire IT operation? If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and you'll surely be interested in this webinar that shows how these AI agents actually work. And watch this video to know more AI features ServiceNow has to offer. Well, subscribe for more such content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.